Hey guys, today I was working on the AC system on this 2008 Chevy Impala. I had a few problems with the wiring and things like that. After I got all the problems fixed on the AC system and I knew all of the components were good, I still had the blinking light on the AC button. Just do me a quick favor, if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, really helps out a lot. So when I would turn the vehicle on and press the AC button, the light would just flash. And I knew the system was good. We had pressure in the system. The clutch was engaging when I jumped it at the relay, and everything looked good. And what I found is that you just need to push the AC button and the recirculate air button at the same time. You just give it a quick push, just like that. You don't need to hold it, just push it in and let it go. It resets the AC system, and then after that, my AC was working properly again. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If it is, smash that thumbs up button, leave the comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.